Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, September the 29th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. And in my homepage, you've got a subscription link with a promo code there. You've got some educational videos. You've got the trade of the week. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, so it's got some good links from my homepage. All right, I want to today, kind of an interesting day. There we go. There's my chart. Let me just get the symbol linking working. Okay, so look at the market. The market is down today. You can see there's the pre-market right there, that brown area. So it was down, tried to pop a little bit. I think the market was mildly positive right there. And then we had a steady down, kind of a pause, maybe a little bit of uptrend, and now looking like it wants to move down. Bottom line is that certainly you would think that not too many long plays would really work that well. Just have to show you what my watch list did today. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can have access to my watch list every day. So let's take a look at the first one. So there's BE. And so the candle right there shows you the candle in which the arrow, the blue arrow, the up blue arrow shows you the candle in which the alert happened. So there's the candle right there. Now it dropped and then it moved back up, got up to 1733 from 1708. Not bad. Not fantastic, but not bad. This one, and I'm saying into the room, we're going to have to watch this one going forward. Again, there is the alert. I actually got into this one hoping it would take out 250. Take a look at the weekly chart. Now you're going to see exactly what I was talking about in the room. This was my worry that, on that week, you can see the high right there. See that topping tail right there? See the topping tail today? That's literally within a penny. I think this is 249 and that's 250, and that is where it stalled. That's why when people ask me all the time, well, what charts do I look at in terms of time frame? Well, because I am essentially a momentum player, so I'm not having to worry about what's happening intraday, because the stock is usually almost at the high of the day or the low of the day if I'm looking to short. Then I'm always focusing on the higher time frames, like the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. So the daily wasn't really showing me anything. See, it didn't really show me anything. Couldn't see left. And I mean, I know I could expand it, but that's why I like to quickly have the weekly chart up, so I can very quickly see exactly where there could be some resistance. And it's amazing how this works. I mean, I don't know if this, this could have been, it's one day, could have been one trade up there, but it stalled right there. So that's why I always have these higher time frames. So later on in the day, though, you never know. This might get some traction again. I have an alert. Actually, I'm surprised. Oh, I know what's happened. It's hidden. So I'm going to put my alert right up here. You're going to see I'm going to put a price alert right there. There's the blue line. Excuse me. OMI. Look at OMI. Look what it did. 22.33, 23.39, got up to 23.56. And again, it had a nice move, and then it had a pullback, and then the resumption. Remember, this is a watch list. When people ask do you have to take the trade the second you get the alert? And of course not. For me, I kind of watch to see what's happening, want to see what the market's doing. I have to admit, I did not think a lot of these would work because the market was, so weak today, but it didn't seem to matter. Take a look at OMI on the monthly chart. And you can see, just a second here, you can see that right here is the potential that it could still get to, up around that 30 level. I mean, it's just had a really nice couple of months. Looking at the weekly chart, it had that nice break that 1 week, kind of a pullback, and then yesterday and today just absolutely doing so well. And again, from my watch list, this one was a crazy one. The HUSA, we saw this in the pre-market. It was all over the place, okay? And I thought that was really over, when this started happening. because in the pre-market it did hit 452 and then it got down to 276. That's a pretty big pullback on a percentage basis. Got the alert, 450, and look what it exploded. One candle. From 450, the top of that candle was 612, and then it kept going. Got up to 640 before it really started to pull back. So another great trade from my watch list. And then AMSC 1583. Before this pullback, this was really, really sweet. 1583 up to 1650. And I know there was another one that I was a little concerned. What was I worried about? Just trying to see. There was an area. Maybe not. Must have been another chart. Must have been something else I was looking at. There's really no. Oh, right here. It's right in front of me on the monthly chart. Actually, no. Right, it was right. Actually, I'm wrong. I'm sorry. So on the monthly chart, you can sort of see there's some resistance. I must have been thinking about another chart though, because I think that there was another chart that I was looking at that it had to take out 1540 or some number and 40 cents, and it obviously was not that one. Anyway, the bottom line is that, my watch list, which didn't produce very many alerts, which is fine. I don't want it to. The whole idea of it is to maybe get focused just on a handful of alerts for the day and use it like a watch list. Again, the ADIL, I'm not saying it's going to, but you never know. It may come back. It's still up 36%. Huge volume. It's 35 million shares, 11 million in the float, so it's traded the float 3 times. So we never know. It may come back, and it's got to take out this area right there, and then if you look left, it has a shot to get up to 3. So anyway, all we can do is just wait to see. First thing for me, I might take the trade if it gets over 2, and then really watch it like a hawk as it starts to hopefully fill in this area. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room, so I'm going to bring back my capture program. And I'm going to shut down this chart. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. There is the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9, and I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.